I was interested already in the Honda product, and I wanted to see what manufacturing was about, so I applied to start as a co-op. Being a young student of engineering, I was able to see and work with a lot of strong African American engineers who work for Honda, and I was like, wow, you know, I can be like them. I studied industrial engineering at The Ohio State University. I had a lot of good mentors during my co-op years. I got opportunities to really contribute in the same level and capacity as a full-time person. My opinions and the ideas I had, I could see that they were valued. That was more so why I knew I'm going to work here. New model encompasses so much. How do I bring this group of 5 key project members together and tap into their strengths, their creativeness? We really accomplished something great to have this beautiful car that had finally come to life into the market. Business resource groups mean a lot to me because I was one of the founding members and associates for one of our HMIN BRGs, which is the African American Resource Collaborative of Honda, or ARCH. So it's very fulfilling when you know that all the energy and the work that you're putting in, that, you know, people are really starting to benefit from this thing. I've mentored co-ops, members on my project team, because that's what other people have done for me. Ultimately, you know, they provided an example of what being an engineer is and what it could be. And so that was always very inspiring to me, and it still is today. Diversity is great, and diversity of thought makes us even better. We need you, our future scientists, mathematicians, and hopefully Honda engineers, to make this world a better place. I feel that a lot of my success is because I've had leaders and managers around me who planted seeds, and it's one of the things that I cherish and why I want to always also do the same for others. And just to know this company is encouraging you to tap into those same core values is really why I enjoy working at Honda.